In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask ChatGPT questions effectively. 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know how to get clearer, more accurate answers with less back and forth, simply by shaping your prompts the right way. Let's start with being clear and specific. Vague prompts lead to vague answers, so avoid broad requests like, "Tell me about history." Instead, narrow the scope and name exactly what you want. For example, can you explain the main causes of the French Revolution? You can tighten it even more by adding constraints such as a time frame, an audience, or a preferred format. Try something like explain the main causes of the French Revolution in 2 concise paragraphs for a high school student. Specifics act like coordinates for the AI, guiding it to the destination you have in mind. Next, deconstruct complex queries. If your topic has multiple parts, split it into smaller sequential questions so each answer can be thorough. Ask about the causes first, then move on to the effects, and only then dig into key figures or timelines. This step-by-step approach keeps the conversation focused and helps you evaluate each piece before building on it. If you realize a subtopic needs more depth, pause there and request examples, definitions, or comparisons before proceeding. Now, provide context and follow up. Background details dramatically improve the usefulness of the response. Tell the AI your goal, who the information is for, any constraints you're under, and what you already know. If the first answer isn't quite right, ask for clarification or a different angle. Keep the dialogue going by referencing previous messages. Say, based on your earlier explanation, expand on point 3 with recent scholarly perspectives. This maintains continuity and ensures the model doesn't repeat ground you've already covered. Finally, keep a couple of technical considerations in mind. ChatGPT has a knowledge cutoff, so it may not include the most recent developments. If you need the latest information, ask for general guidance, then verify details with up-to-date sources. And if you're not getting what you want, troubleshoot by rephrasing. Swap in synonyms, simplify long prompts, or restructure the question to emphasize the outcome you care about. For example, change discuss the impact to list 3 measurable impacts and explain each in one sentence, which makes your intent unmistakable. And that is all for today. Mastering these prompting techniques will make your AI interactions much more productive and precise. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.